Good morning, children. Today, third topic in statistics, median of the central tendency. First one mean and second one mode to complete before classes, and third one last topic and most important topic, median. Median is the middlemost observation in the data. Median is the middlemost observation in the data. Finding the median of ungrouped data, we first arrange the data values in ascending order. Finding the median of ungrouped data, we first arrange the data values in ascending order. If n is odd, n means number of observations. If n is odd, then median n plus 1 by 2th observation. If n is even, the given number of observations are even number, then median will be the average of n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1 observations. Finding the median of group data, then median m is equal to l plus n by 2 minus cf by f into h. Finding the median of group data, median m is equal to l plus n by 2 minus cf by f into h. Another expression, median. Median is the middlemost observation in the data. To finding the median of ungrouped data median, to find, we first arrange the data values in ascending order. We first arrange the data values in ascending order. So number of data values is denote n. If n is odd, then median n plus 1 by 2th observation. If n is even, then median will be the average of n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1 observations. Finding the median of group data, then median m is equal to l plus n by 2 minus cf by f into h. To expression of these letters, L, lower boundary of median class. L, lower boundary of median class. N, total frequency. Total frequency is also denoted sigma fi in mean. CF, cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency of median class. F, frequency of median class. H, class size. Another expressions of these letters, L, lower boundary of median class. N, total frequency. CF, cumulative frequency of preceding median class. Frequency F is frequency. H, class size. And next, this median, you can observe in one problem that the question, find median of the data. Find median of the data. This data is group data. Then number of students and marks are grouped type of data is called group data. Marks number of students. Marks number of students. Marks 0 to 10 5 members, 10 to 20 3 students, 20 to 30 4 students, 30 to 40 3 students, 40 to 50 3 students, 50 to 60 4 students, and 60 to 70 7 students, 70 to 80 9 students, 80 to 90 7 students, and 90 to 100 8 students. That group data information to find median of the data. To find median of the data. Then solution. We first observe the table. Marks, number of students, and cumulative frequency. Marks, number of students, and cumulative frequency third column. 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90, and 90 to 100. These marks are satisfied students. 5, 3, 4, 3, 3, 4, 7, 9, 7, 8. Then n is equal total frequency. Number of students is denoted frequency Fi. The total n is equal to 53. The first one. Observe the table. We first calculate n is equal to 53. That means total frequency. Total frequency. And next compulsory to find n by 2. That is equal 53 by 2 to 26 52. And decimal noted. 1 0 added to 5 are 10. So 26.5. The first one calculate n is equal to 53 is the total frequency. Total frequency is 53. Then n by 2 is equal to 53 by 2. That is equal to 26.5. This value observing the table 26.5 to cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency is the before value of 29. 26.5. Most important this point. N by 2, 26.5 is observing the table in cumulative frequency is before 29. So, then draw a line under 29 is called N by 2 class or median class. N by 2 class or median class. Most important point. This point based on the next solution. The point correct note check solution. So n by 2 is equal to 26.5. That value observe the table cumulative frequency before 29 is 26.5. So 29 under draw a line. This line is called median class or n by 2 class. From the table, lower boundary of median class. This line is median class. Lower boundary is equal lower limit plus before upper limit by 2. Lower boundary is equal lower limit of median class plus before class interval upper limit by 2. That is equal lower limit of class n 2 equal 120 by 2. That is equal 60. And next one, frequency of median class is denoted F. Preceding cumulative frequency of median class cumulative frequency 29. Preceding, that means before median class cumulative frequency is denoted CF, and limits difference is there is class size HA. So we know that L is equal to 60, F is equal to 7, and CF equal to 22, and HA class size that is equal to difference of class limits that is equal to 10. Then total frequency by 2 is equal to 26.5. Then group data median M is equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF by F into H. You can observe the table. Substitute the values L 60 plus N by 2, that value 26.5 minus CF, that value is 22 by F, that value is 7 into 10 HA. So 60 plus 26.5 minus 22 by 7 into H value 10. 60 plus 26.5 minus 22, that is equal 4.5 by 7 into 10. So 4.5 into 10, 4.5 into 10, that is equal 45. Then 60 plus 45 by 7, 45 by 7 is divided. That value is 6.43 is approximately. Then 60 plus 6.43, that is equal to 60 plus 6, 66.43 is the approximate value of median. So median M is equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF by F into H. From the table, the values are substituted in formula. 60 plus that value 26.5 minus CF 22 by F 7 into H 10. 60 plus 26.5 minus 22 is equal 4.5 into 10 by 7. 60 plus 4.5 into 10, that product is 45 by 7. 60 plus that quotient is 6.43 approximately. So 60 plus 6, 66.43 is the approximate value of median.
Problem in last akade rain ippude rasi saripothu. కింద రాసింది సార్ సరిపోద్ది కదా అక్కడ రాయండి. అవసరం అవసరం
Today, practice one problem to find mean, mode and median. Today I explain median. Before 2 classes, I explain mean and mode. You can listen and practice. Today, mean, mode and median of that problem. Monthly consumption in rupees. Number of consumers 65 to 85, 4 members. 85 to 105, 5 members. 105 to 125, 13 members. 125 to 145, 20 members. 145 to 165, 4 members. 165 to 185, 8 members. And 185 to 205, 4 members. In this data, to find mean, mode and median.
Okay.
To complete the chapter.